To change the belt, you will need to remove the rear wing, tail lights, rear bumper cover, and the airbox. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. You do not need to remove the cover over the alternator and idler pulley to remove or replace the belt, but if you want to, just remove the 3 E10 torque bolts, blue arrows. If you are removing the belt and reinstalling it, make sure to mark the direction of travel. If you are just checking the belt, you can loosen the tensioner and rotate the belt around the pulleys. If you are replacing the belt, you will need to remove the 16mm bolt and spacer holding the engine carrier to the engine, red arrow. Insert a 16mm socket on an extension through the opening in the frame rail, red arrow, and remove the bolt. The long bolt will come out through the access hole in the frame crossmember, red arrow. With the bolt removed, you can remove the spacer, red arrow. You may need to tap it out and in with a soft wooden block. Place a 30mm wrench on the hexagon nub on the tensioner lever, blue arrow, and turn the nub clockwise as far as it will go. This will loosen the belt. There is no lockout, so do not get your fingers between the belt and the tensioner. Slip the belt off of the tensioner, red arrow. Slide the drive belt flat side up past the coolant pump pulley. Turn the drive belt 90 degrees and guide the flat side past the vibration balancer and remove it. There is very little room between the belt and the carrier and the accessories. You will need to work both above and below the engine. When installing the new belt, begin by turning the belt sideways and slipping it in between the carrier and the vibration dampener. If any damage happens to the belt while installing it, you must replace it. Position the belt on the running track on the vibration dampener, orange arrow. Guide the drive belt to the left past the coolant pump pulley, yellow arrow not visible. Then guide the belt through the very small area between the pulley and the engine carrier. Fit the belt under the idler pulley, green arrow, and over the air conditioning compressor, blue arrow. Then pre-position it on the roller, purple arrow. Use a 30mm wrench and turn the tensioner fully clockwise and slip the belt onto the tensioner. Release the tension and check the belt position on all pulleys. Installation of all other components is the reverse of removal. Torque the carrier bolt to 65 Nm or 48 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.